are spirit fingers. And these are gold.
These are spirit fingers. And these are gold.
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Diona, and in this video, we're gonna be trying press-on nails, and I'm excited because my nails look like this, and this is embarrassing. Even though I'm in the house and ain't nobody looking at my nails, I'm looking at my nails. You know what I'm saying? Like, I wanna do like this, or like tap my foot, don't put your hand in your face, or like just do different things with my hand like this, and my nails look cute. But right now, my nails are looking busted. So I went to Walmart on my recent grocery trip and I picked up some press-on nails, and I decided I'm gonna bite the bullet and I am going to give it a try. I've been scared of press-on nails, honestly, because we all know they don't last as long as like acrylic nails and gel nails and all that. But I'm gonna try them anyway, and I'm gonna see how long I can get these ones to last. So the brand that I'm trying out today is by LA Colors, and they look like this. And first of all, can we just talk about, I did not even know press-on nails came in like these really cute fun colors. I was so prepared to buy some like clear press-on nails and just like paint them neon myself, but there were some that were pre-painted, and I was like, look at God, he knows I did not feel like painting all these nails. So these are already done. These are gray and marble, which I think are so cute. You can even like mix and match nails if you really want to. But yeah, these are only $3.98 at Walmart per pack. It comes with glue, but I also have my own nail glue that I feel like may be a little bit better quality than the ones that they provide. So what I'm gonna do is do one hand with the glue that they provide, and I'm gonna do the other hand with the glue that I have to see which hand lasts longer, if anyone pops off, or you know, just to see how quickly or how long it takes to really like damage these nails. Even though these are really cute, and I'm gonna be sad if they get damaged really fast. But yeah, that's gonna be this video. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, definitely hit that subscribe button, and let's go put on some nails. So before you just pop on press-on nails, you do have to prep your nails first. And I just wanna let you guys know that everything that I'm using for my nails are things that I found at the dollar store. If you haven't seen my dollar store haul, I'll link that video in the description box below. But everything in here was $1. So the first thing that I'm gonna need is nail polish remover. If I can find mine. We're gonna pretend that I didn't just spend literally like 2 hours looking for this nail polish remover, but I did. These are the things that you're gonna need to prep your nails to put these on. They say start with clean, dry nails, use prep pad, which is included, you select the nail size, blah, 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 right? So they do give you a prep pad, but we're kind of gonna do our own little thing. The first thing that you wanna do is take off any excess polish that you have on your nails. Just take it off, sis. So once you've gotten your clean, dry nails, you've gotten all of the polish off of your nails, the next thing that you want to do is actually go through and buff your nails. So if you have like an actual like buffer, you can use that. I don't have that. So I'm gonna use a nail file, and I'm just gonna go over the top. I know some people are probably like cringing right now. They're like, oh my God, why are you doing that to your nail? But I'm going over the top of my nail with my little nail file like this. So now my nails look like this, which is gross. So in here they give you a nail prep pad to wipe your nail clean. They give you a little mini nail file, and they give you the glue that looks like this. So this is everything that it comes with. And then these are the nails, they look like this. And of course it's different like sizes in there, so you can shape them for your fingers. I personally have like smaller fingers, like little baby hands. So I usually have to take like the smaller sizes. So I'm gonna take the little nail prep pad. And I'm gonna take a cuticle pusher like this, and I'm actually gonna push my cuticles back, like how they do in the nail salon. Just a little bit like that. just to give them a good place to set. Actually, I don't know why the heck we gotta do this. I ain't even gonna lie. I am not a professional, y'all. I don't know why the fuck we gotta do this, but I know they do it, so I'm gonna do it too. I'm not skipping no steps. First, I'm gonna match up the sizing. So I'm gonna start with my left hand. And you see, this one is like, the pinky that they chose is like way too big. So what I'm gonna have to do, because these are so big, like around the sides here, I'm actually gonna have to, I'm gonna take their little nail file. Actually, I'm gonna take my own and shave them, like file them down. And now for the fun part, which is I'm gonna be gluing all of these on. So, ooh, let's glue on some nails, baby girl. That was weird. I don't know why I said that. This hand, my left hand, I'm gonna use the nail glue that they provide, because I usually know the nail glue that they provide is not as sturdy, and I am right-handed, so I'm gonna put it on my less dominant hand just to give it a better chance at survival, but we'll see. I assume you cut it like this. I hope that was right. I don't know. So let me see. It's not coming out. Okay, you gotta snip this thing all the way down for this to work, first of all. And it says place close to your cuticle, but not on it. So I slid that on there, and I am going to press down firmly. And there's one. Let's do the other nails. So I officially have one hand done, and I can honestly say that I feel like these are gonna pop off at like any minute now. Like, they just don't feel secure to me, like how acrylic nails feel secure. Like, I really feel like one wrong move and these are like flying across the room, but they're really cute though. Okay, so I have my Kiss Powerflex Machspeed nail glue that looks like this. This I use when like one of my acrylics pop off by accident, and you know, when it's time for a fill-in, but you don't go get a fill-in right away because you're trying to save the money. I use this to glue it back on, and this be working, okay? That's all I'm gonna say. And let's go ahead and glue on the other set of nails with this nail glue. And this is the finished result. I'm not completely done. I still need to shave the tops down because I don't know, see if you can tell, but like it's not even across the tops. So I'm just gonna take my nail file and just gently smooth that out like this. And that is it. Like, it literally took probably 20 minutes, I'll say, to like measure out each nail and then glue each nail on. I was kind of moving kind of slow, pressing to make sure I had each nail on. Now we're just gonna see which hand lasts the longest. Is it the nail glue that comes with the kit, or is it the Kiss Powerflex nail glue? This is what both of these look like. This hand I have on this glue, this hand I have on this glue. So we're gonna see which one lasts the longest. And also, because they're press-on nails, like I don't expect them to last like how acrylics would. However, I would love for these to last longer than a day. That would be great. So I'm just gonna go throughout my day and see if they last. Oh, I miss being able to do this. She's back. Okay, what's up you guys? It is literally the next day and I had to give you all just a little quick update about these nails. I just wanted to point out how all of the nails on this hand fell off. All of them. Now granted, I had a pretty active day yesterday. Like, I had to wash dishes a lot. I put together like a whole barbecue grill. Like, I was doing a lot with these nails. I mean, but they still all fell off, and I do have two hands, so, and all the nails on this hand still stayed on. Moral of the story is, if you get these nails, use the glue that comes with the box. Just saying. Unless you got like some crazy stronghold super glue, then you maybe try and use that. But I just thought that, and then it was LA Colors. See, I tried to play LA Colors like they was just some cheap brand, but their glue is actually really good. Like I was thinking, oh, their glue is gonna be that little cheap glue that doesn't work good, but it actually worked better than the than the name brand glue. So you know what? Use the glue that comes with the box and your nails will stay on. So there's that. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button, and all the information for these nails will be in the description box below. I said that a little backwards because I'm sleepy, but there's that. Yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. Adios, till next time.